So let me explain you what is Tableau in simple terms. Tableau is a data visualization software or tool which is developed by Salesforce, a company, in the year 2014. So basically, whenever you are representing data, whenever you are working on a data, we use Excel to present the data, to sort the data, to analyze the data, to summarize the data using pivot tables and pivot charts. But sometimes it is not possible to visually present the data using different graphics or photos or maps, which is easily available in Tableau. So Tableau is a data visualization tool where you can present the data in a visual manner, in images, in maps, in different kind of graphics. There are 24 graphical options which are available in Tableau, and you can simply download the Tableau report into PDF or PPT, and you can present it to the management or whosoever is the stakeholder, whosoever is looking for that information in a graphical manner. And why it is important to present the information in a graphical manner? Because when you see images, you tend to remember those images, and you can understand what is happening in those images, as compared to when you see the data, bulky data in tables. So now everyone is moving towards data visualization and data sciences and data analysis, because a lot of data is there in the market, and we need to analyze the data to take decisions. So Tableau plays an important role whenever you have to present the data in a visual format.